Recently, we talked about Hurricane Milton. Every year, there are series of hurricanes, tornadoes, cyclones, typhoons affecting the region. However, over the last few years, we have seen that the intensity of hurricanes and cyclones or typhoons have increased. Now, these are all one and the same thing, known by different names in different parts of the country, of the world. So, hurricanes are usually witnessed in the coastal areas of the eastern coastal areas of America. So the Florida region is worst hit by the hurricanes. One of the major reasons which has been attributed to it is the rising sea surface temperature. However, most of the things get grounded during the time of hurricanes. Even aircrafts get grounded, but there is a team of pilots who actually work during the storm in the world's worst storms, we could say, and they are called as Hurricane Hunters. They are a group of scientific community led by NOAA, which is from United States. So this is basically located in the regions of Lakeland in the regions of Florida, and they have two important varieties. One is the P3 Orion, and they are the one which run between the storms or into the storms. So there are Lockheed Orions, and they are called as WP-3D. They are also nicknamed as Kermit and Miss Piggy, and they actually experience the radars or experience the weather systems within the storm. So usually they take a course of nearly 8 to 10 hours of mission and then return back. Now this is really important for collection of information. The next is G4 jet, and they are the ones that fly above and around the storm, not within the storms. So these two are the major hurricane hunters, and they give information about the weather systems, helping us to understand the conditions and develop scientific basis of understanding based on it.